Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb, and we're back with Red Racing Industries. We're on day number 2 of racing every track and every track layout inside of Gran Turismo 7. So this is going to be the full extent of the playlist. So let's go ahead, hop right in, get on to number 2, and we'll move on to the next. So we're going to go ahead and hop right in here. Getting every camera on as we go. Let's go ahead and get our playlist going. Let's go and hop into our Quick Pro app for GoPro. By no means is this sponsored by them. We're just going to get the recordings going because it's very easy to use it, in my opinion. And we figured out a couple of the kinks. So we're going to hop right in. We're running the 2022 Honda Civic Type R. FL5, go so and so forth. So we're going to go back to the Americas, hit Blue Moon Base Speedway again, and we're going to race the full course in reverse. Now, once again, we're doing every track and every track layout so you can see it. The only difference is I'm not going to do every time of day. We're going to pick a time of day I like, and we're going to move on. But let's go ahead and hit it in reverse. Hopefully, we can do a little bit better than last time. Because I guess we started in 11th, and well, we ended in 11th last time. And we're already getting past. Great. Come on, block off the Ferrari, not to run me off the road. As your back end kicks out. Testarossa. Come on. We gotta beat the Testarossa. I love them, but we gotta beat it. It's a 30-year-old car. Mine's a 3-year-old car. We're holding a good line right now, right behind the Testarossa. Not gaining much, but it's a good line. There we go. We're starting to jump up in some places. Let's not spin out this time. And we're running on the stock Brembo brakes. Once again, everything is stock. So if you're new here, go check out my other video that I do talk about everything we're doing. But this video, we're going to be racing it in reverse. So I'm going to be recording a couple of these at a time so I can put them out to you as quick as possible. I want to make sure you're getting content every day. And let me know which car, not which track, because we're going to be doing every track, but which car you want to see next. So just stay tuned for the tracks. Let me know what car you want to see. Whichever one gets the most likes on each platform will be the next car. So we've got plenty of time to get some likes and stuff. We've got to create some TikTok content too, and some Reels content. I did create a Facebook for Red Racing Industries and a LinkedIn, so go check it out. So now we've got, oh goodness, we got Red Racing Industries on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as we're on now, LinkedIn and TikTok. So those are, I'm not going to do X or Snapchat just because that is a lot of moving back and forth from my main account and to back and forth from this one. Come on. And those are, major ones, good for business, so on and so forth. Let's keep going around. Come on. We're doing a little bit better than last time, but not by much. I gotta pass this dang Testarossa. There we go. Cutting you off your line a little bit, buddy. Buddy old pal. I'm just kidding. I'm trying to beat you. I'm taking the inside. No. Oh, there we go. Hitting the BMW M3. I took the inside and overtook him, so that's good. Come on. Riding his tail. Let's go. There we go. Boosted past him. We're in 8th place now. Doing solid. Got to hit a little bit of brakes. Nope, more brakes. Come on. I am definitely doing better this time. I will tell you that. Come on. Let's get around this track here. There we go. Felicissimo. I probably said that wrong. Anyway, we're lap 4 out of 6. And we're placing P8 currently. Yeah, we're going to rack up some miles with this challenge, I'll tell you that. Yeah, more of a challenge and an experience, be able to drive every track, because I don't even think I've driven every track, every layout yet. And I've got almost 70 hours on GT7 currently. I drive the same track a lot. Laguna Seca was a big one when I first started with the Type R, and then I really am enjoying Daytona. I haven't driven Daytona with the Type R yet, however. Come on, hold that line. There we go. And as far as like force feedback, I do gradually increase those settings every once in a while. So I do have videos of me pushing the absolute limits, and I'll be pushing the limits again on Daytona, and I think it was Le Mans, if I'm not mistaken, just to showcase it at its hardest. And I have no racing line now. So one person commented that that is really pushing the limits, and I'm like, I agree. Immediately, as soon as I got home after reading the comment, I'm like, okay, we're turning it off. Now, by no means are you hurting my feelings by telling me something. I do look to improve and get better, and I know that we can always continue to learn more. So any advice you have, whether how silly it sounds, let me know. I'm always willing to learn more. Just don't be completely silly now. But we're going to keep moving on. Like my, oh my goodness. My other, channels, especially on TikTok, a lot of cars are 4-bangers now, of course, like the Type R, and this is a great 4-banger, not gonna lie. But other, SUVs are becoming to be 4-bangers, and I hear the silliest comments. It's hilarious, but at the same time, I get it. I don't want a 4-banger in an SUV either. Anyway, that ends that. We placed what? P7? Oh, P7, perfect. That was a lot better than last time, I will say. And we just did it in reverse. Now it's just a matter of understanding the track, getting to know it, and getting a better realization of what's going on. But that ends this video of driving Blue Moon Bay Speedway in reverse. Other than that, I'll see y'all on the next video. Have a great day.